Hi people, this is Nitty again. Okay, I did these, which was the letters, the Russian kale, and the eggplant. But I didn't put no date, and I did put the amount. So today, I put the date. It was the 17th. This one was the 18th. This was yesterday. And today, this was cucumbers and cilantro. This whole thing is peppers. And this, I did it today, which is the 19th. How you call it? I put lots of coriander. As you know, the corianders that I had here, let me see if I could move this a little bit. Don't fall. I decided to put it down here. I have it in between the leaves and down here where it doesn't get too much sun, and let it get it just a little sun it was gonna get. So because I noticed that I put, let me see, this first one and it's doing okay. So I figured let me put them all there and maybe they'll just grow, and how you call it, I don't have to keep moving them around. So they're looking pretty good. They look like they didn't like wilt down. They look still straight up. So that's cute. I have one. Let me see if you could see it. Hold on. Let me put the high end. Yes, the high end. Okay. I don't think it's going to show either way. There's one that already started giving a baby. So, it has a side shoot. Even though it doesn't have root, it's already giving a side shoot, which means that when that one starts growing, it'll start giving roots. So that's pretty cool. The next thing I'm doing, and this is when I said, wait a minute, what the heck am I doing? Why aren't I doing a video? So this is me, my dumb self talking, and I said, wait a minute. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning it out. I already put this one up. And this one has two, so I'm going to break it in two. I got the knife right here. And since I don't have its own knife, I use the kitchen knife. But I wash it good with soap and a little bit of Clorox. Because you never know what you might catch down here. So I use a lot this one. I have another one, but it doesn't cut much. My daughter gave me this one. She said, Ma, you got nasty, how you call it? Knives. Let me get you another knife. And she bought me this one. This one cuts beautifully. That's why I picked this one. The root, it has roots, as you can see. Let me show you. Right there, it has roots, but I don't know. They look blackish, and some of them look whitish. So I don't know if it has too much water or what. So I'm gonna just leave it alone and let it dry out. I don't remember putting water today on it. It must have been yesterday. And since this has a holder, maybe the water is getting stuck over here, and that's why it keeps going up again. I don't know. But I'm going to cut this, and then I'll be right back. Well, it was two, but all the roots is on this side, as you can see, and little roots on this side. Oops, little roots on this side. Sorry, I don't know if you saw the other one, but I broke a slice of it, so I put it back with tape. Yes, with tape. I don't want it to get some sort of bacteria, so I'd rather have it with tape. As you can see, one big white one's coming out, plus it has a lot of black ones. I don't know if that's good or bad, but this one got one white and the rest are black. But they look like they're working. This one has three white ones. I don't know if they're supposed to get black. But I'm gonna plant these. Then I'm gonna take that one out because it doesn't break that mold for some reason. So hold on for a minute. As you can see, it's very little bit of the points that they got messed up. Yeah, as you can see, the majority is green. And I took all the outside and left the last one. And here, as you can see, it has layers still. And what I noticed is that I call it the root, which is down there, looks beautiful. Let me put it up. It looks beautiful. It doesn't look blackish or anything. I think I should do this to all my plants, to all my onions, because they are growing very beautiful, as you can see right there. You know, they're growing very beautiful. Yes, I think I will do that and put them in water. So, hold on a minute. Okay, so I decided to put them all there. This one has 2 of them, and this one looks black, but it's because it's so filtrated the dirt. So I'm gonna leave it there until tomorrow or the next day, and I'll be changing the water again. This one was the one that I tell you was all rotted and this and that, and I decided to put it here, and look how beautiful, how it is doing, you know. And it has a lot of good roots down there. This one and this one doesn't. They were in the dirt, so I'm gonna keep them in water and see what happens to it, if it grows or it doesn't grow. This one's giving me problems because it has something to hold it there, but it keeps like moving. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like that because at least it's not gonna fall. It is held by another, how you call it, one of these plastics. I cut them, I made a hole on top, and I put it in there, and it's held by that, so I don't think it's gonna go out. But anyway, I cut all the bad parts except for this one. I left one little one, but that's okay because I think that's the only one she had. So no, she has 2 little baby ones right here. So, but the majority of the leaves are beautiful comparing to these that they were. I had to cut. Oh, this one I had to cut all of it. This one, it only had 2, so one is bad and the other one was okay, which is this one right there. So I guess I'm going to leave this in hydroponic water and see if it grows onions. And there's one more. Let me show it to you. This one. I didn't know where to put it, but the cup is lopsided because it was bent. So what I figured was, hey, I make a hole to hold the cup because it's lopsided, so this way it's not gonna fall. And this one wasn't so bad. It's one of the new ones, and this is the one that didn't have, was starting to have roots but didn't have. So I just hold it with the plastic again, you know, the inside plastic. I made a hole, put it through there, and put the water touching the top, just touching it on the top, and that should provoke the roots. If it does provoke the roots, they're gonna stay in water. I put pellets in there, so they will have some sort of vitamins, you know, not vitamins, nutrients. So I hope that will work. And I'm just gonna wait to see if over here, I had to cut a few how you call those little strings for to get seeds. I don't want no more seeds. Not for now. I want them to grow. And, well, that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye. Why aren't you working? What is wrong with you? Don't you know I need to make videos? Huh? That's my life. You know, I want to become a good YouTuber. But you, camera, now is you who's giving me the problem. First it was my computer. Now the computer is working perfect. Thanks to me, you know. And now you want to do the problem. You got 8 gigabytes of memory. And I can't seem to know where the heck those memories went. That I only have like 8 minutes to do a video. And I can't do like I did before. I used to do the Spanish and do the English. Well, I guess this is all for now. Oh, this is terrible. I don't know what to do. God bless you all. Till next time.